Hello guys and welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are using a private server named Cloud. This will allow you to use any cosmetic in the game. First thing first, go to the Discord server, go to download and download the newest launcher. After this, extract it. I'm using Rinra. After you extracted it, you can open up Cloud.exe, or I might just say Cloud. If it pops up like this, just click OK. Alright, now you're in the login screen. Go back to the Discord server. Go to CMDs. Then type /signup. From here, just click on sign up. And you can choose whatever name you want. I'm going to do Zinc since that's my name on YouTube. We also give you your email and password. Make sure you save it. So I'm going to copy this up, open up Notepad and paste it in here. Okay, now copy your email and paste your password in. After this, you can click login. Okay, so you need to choose your builds. For this video, we're going to be doing latest. So I'm going to type latest. And here you have to look for your path. Since I'm doing latest, I'm going to click the 3 dots. Normally it's stored in Windows, then in Program, then Epic Games, and Fortnite. Since it's in a different path for me, I'll be going somewhere else. Epic Games, Fortnite. Click OK. Select folder, then click next. Wait a second. Okay, now the launch is loaded. From here, click on builds. If you don't have a build yet, just click add new build. You can use any builds from season 0 to latest. Okay, launch. Alright, when this pops up, it means we're using latest, so just click yes. Alright, so this is normal. You do not need to restart your game, just click OK. Alright, so now you're logged in. You can go to locker, of course, and you have every single cosmetic in the game, even when it was cosmetics. Oh no, my screen's broken. And random stuff, and all these random default skins that no one cares about, but it's in the game. Got the sexiest item shop ever. And real purchases, what doesn't really do anything. I remember you cannot add anyone. You got favorite rally. Right, so all downloads will be in the description down below like last time. And yeah, see ya.